Okay guys, so this is cheap weapons, household items that you can make. Yeah, with household items. Well, without further ado, let's get to making them. So what you need is a hot glue gun, some screws. This is like baby Wolverine claws, because it's what I have laying around. You just cut off the end of them. Might not look like it there. Cut off the end of just those two. Have three right here. You don't cut the ends off of those ones. Then is take these two. Then you want to take this one with the okay. So what you want to do is take the screws with the ends off. Then glue around it like this. Okay, there. And let that dry. I'm gonna take the 3 screws, put them like this, and then you just like, hot glue them like on here. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I'll do them, and I'll show you what it looks like. So what you will want to do is just glue the whole bottom like this, like this. Whoops, sorry. Now I'll just do the rest. So real quick, I'm done with that, with all of it. Here's what they look like. Not the prettiest thing, but you can I guess you can paint over it, make what color you want. I like black is my favorite, like Batman stuff, but yeah. Let's go test them out. Test time. Test number 1. They're still holding up. Test number 2. Yep, they're still holding up. I think I showed you that, how you put them on. You take them and you put them between these fingers. So I'm trying, like this, your pinky finger, okay, like that.